Good evening, friends. Uh, See, and in last classes, I have given some assignments to do. Like I was asking you people to do something on sense memory and also the observation part. Uh,
सर कैन आई आस्क समथिंग
yeah, tell me.
सर वो जो हमने एक्सरसाइज दी थी कि एक हाथ से आपको सर्कल बनाना है एंड सेकंड से प्लस
Ah,
दोनों को साइमल्टेनियसली करना है
ah,
सर वो तो इतना मैं क्या बोलूं मैं अभी भी उसको पूरा तरीके से नहीं कर पा रही हूँ
हाँ,
वो
ठीक है.
पूरा ऐसा
कोई बात नहीं, कोई
मतलब
बात.
मुझे समझ ही नहीं आता है कि मैं उसको कैसे करूँ तो
नहीं नहीं, कैसे करूं नहीं, वो तो मैंने बोला ना, प्रोसेस तो वही है कि पहले तो आप शुरू करेंगे राइट हैंड से, देन लेफ्ट हैंड से कुछ टाइम करेंगे, फिर बाद में यू स्टार्ट डूइंग इट बोथ. ऐसा नहीं है कि आज ही आना है उसको, है ना, आज ही उसको कंप्लीट करना है, बट
यस सर एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम
आएगा.
वहाँ होती है ना जैसे प्लस बनाने में तो अगर हम स्ट्रेट लाइन का इस्तेमाल करते हैं और
हाँ
सर्कल बनाने में सर्कल का तो वो
हाँ
गोला और ये स्ट्रेट लाइन तो वो जो एक्शन होता है ना तो इससे
हाँ.
बैलेंस हो जाता
या आई अंडरस्टैंड. हो जाता है, आप प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, आ जाएगा, नो डाउट. वन डे
है
यू
या
विल
श्योर
गेट.
सर श्योर
या
या ओके
तो मैंने कुछ आप लोगों को एक्सरसाइजेस दी थी. अगर आई डोंट थिंक आई हैव रिसीव्ड none of you, I think you have sent it about the sense memory exercises को ना किसी ने भेजा है, ना कोई ऑब्जर्वेशन के एक्सरसाइज. ऑब्जर्वेशन के शायद एक 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 बंदा ने भेजा है, आई थिंक सुशील
यस
कुमार
सर मी
सिंह.
टू
यू हाँ, ओके. एक आध लोग ही भेजे हैं ऑब्जर्वेशन का. और
Yes, sir, I'm Sushil. Yes, sir. Yes,
या
sir,
या
I'm Sushil.
yeah, I know. Except that I didn't get much of the people. They have, I think they have not sent it. Why, I don't know. Anyway, so today what I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to talk about something on observation part of it. Observation, as I told you, it is a very important element in acting training. So observation, I have tried to explain the four processes which through which we will try to understand the observation part. Observation will be done through self, self, identifying the self, observing the self, in the sense that whatever the emotions, whatever the experiences which we have gone through, we know that. Again, we are trying. Manoj, please mute your microphone. Thank you. So we are trying to identify those experiences, and again, we know what exactly happened to us, what we have gone through. See, these are the one experience which we'll be taking from our own life. In the sense, if you are going to enact anything, any emotion or any situation, first thing is we will be looking into our own experiences, whether this experience has happened to me or not. Let us say you are you are to enact a very happy kind of a situation. You are very happy in that role or on that situation or on that scene, and now you are trying to identify the same emotion in your own life. You are going to recall those experiences from your own life, and you are trying to take the resource from that. You know, the happiness in the play or in the character may not be the same which can be compared in your own life. See, in a play you got a lottery and you are very happy, but it never happened in your life. You didn't get any prize in your life, but you are very happy. Sometimes a different situation, you are very happy. You can take that emotion and you can apply that happiness here while enacting the scene of you got a lottery and you are very happy. You understand what I am saying? The both emotions are both the situations are different, but the emotions are same, isn't it? You're very happy, you are or you are very sad sometimes, but it may not be the same situation in which you are going to enact, but the emotion can be same. So that you can use that experience to enact that situation. This is called adaptation. We call it an adaptation. उनको हम adapt करते हैं उस सिचुएशन को, उस परिस्थिति वो सेम नहीं है आपके लाइफ में जो गुजरा है, वो कुछ क्षणों में आप बहुत you are very happy, you are sad, you are tense sometimes, but these situations may not be the same when you are enacting a role, but the situation, the emotion, the content demanding the same kind of an emotion here also. So if you have the same emotions in your life also, or experiences which you have got through your own life, or from your childhood memories or whatever, you are very happy. Sometimes your father or mother have given you a gift. Then on the day you are very happy and you have achieved first rank in your class and you are happy. This happiness can be replaced with the happiness which you are going to show in a role or in a situation. That is adaptation that you can do. But that is one aspiration. So if the resources are not there, in the sense कि आपके life में इस तरह का कुछ चीज नहीं हुआ, तो then what you will do? You don't have any resource. Then you go for reading. You go for reading of such emotions available in the literature, in the form of stories, poetries, novels, novellas, and many things, news items, whatever. The entire world is full of literature, text. No, as I told you, everybody is texting many things. Many people are sharing many things, many things there in the form of videos, in the form of poetry, in the form of stories. Everybody is trying to share many things. In these also, there are many emotions, many situations, many contexts there they will be sharing. You can take the impression from that. And then if that is not available, then you can see some of the things. You can observe the videos which are there, or your nearby areas in the sense it is not happening in your family, but in your surrounding families or in the nature or the society in which we are living. There are many things are happening, many fightings are happening, many happy things are happening, very sad things are happening. You can observe them and you can take the impression, take that impression or the experiences which people are actually suffering or enjoying or fighting, or the people are very angry. All that emotions, you can see them through their faces and all the situations. If you are there present, then you can observe them, see with your naked eyes, and you can take the impression. Okay, what happened? You are taken from yourself. Now you are reading and you have seen. If these three things doesn't work out, then what you are going to do is you are going to listen. You are going to listen about such emotions. Somebody is telling you, see, this was happened with me because on the day I was very happy because this was the situation. I was very angry on the day because this had happened to me. I was very tense because my boss told me and he put me into this kind of a troubles, and then suddenly I was very much worried what I should do. So all these things are shared with your friends, maybe or with your neighbors, and if some follows, even if you don't know, while traveling in a train or a bus, then also people will be narrating many stories to some other fellows, and you are there and you are listening to them. You can take those experiences also. So 4 things are happening here. One is you are taking from your own experiences. Okay, that is one source. And the other source is you are reading. If you are not experiencing those things, all those emotions in your life, there's no problem. You can read about those things. And then it comes to see, you can see those things which is visually available in the form of videos or something happening before your naked eyes and all that. Otherwise, you are listening to them through radio or some audio stories, or somebody is narrating these things, narrating many things. See, what happened in my childhood, there were many stories were told to me, isn't it? Write it down about what observer, what was that, sir? I will take the questions. Please wait. So I was talking about the observation part of it, which is divided into 4 parts. Again, I'll tell you, I'm just repeating them. The one is the experiences, all that experiences which you can take from your own life. That is the self, identifying the self, realizing the self, taking this resource from your own life, which are there, which emotions are there already there in your subconscious mind, which were already recorded in your mind. If such emotions are not available, you can read about them, you can see about them, and you can listen about those such experiences. With these four kinds of resources, you can create a situation, you can create a character. That I was telling about the observation part. And now I'm going to come to the character. Now I have told you about the observation. In the last classes, I remember I have told you about the character. What is the character? If you want to create a character, there may be many colors, many dimensions, but let us discuss only three major dimensions. Each character will have three major dimensions. If you remember a person, how you remember him generally? One is that how he appears. वो कैसे दिखते हैं, उनका नाम याद आते ही कि उनका फेस हमको याद आता है, उनका हाइट याद आता है, वो कैसे दिखते हैं. The physical attire, the physical appearance is the first thing to recognize a person. Even if he is not speaking, he's there at a distance and you have just seen him, you can easily recognize that he's your uncle, he's your brother, he's your teacher, which you have seen earlier. You see, the first thing is the recognition for a character is the physical dimension of one particular person. Okay, whether he or she. Okay, that is one. So you need to create a physical attire. What would be the physical appearance of your own character? वो कैसे दिखेगा? Whether he is a tall or a linear person or a lean person or a fatty guy, which is demanded by the text. All these details will be given by the text itself. नाटक में दिया जाता है या फिर आपको फिल्म में भी बताया जाता है कि ये ऐसा आदमी है. He look robust. He is very good looking guy, nice person, smart. All these words we use, So this is the thing which we have to create. Okay. Again, it comes to your own part, whether these physical appearances which we are intended to show them in the character, whether they are available in your own personality or not. If not, what we have to do? We have to do some makeup. We have to add some costumes, makeup, all that stuff we are going to do to create one particular character. And then the psychological aspect in the sense, nothing but every man is a psyche, people will say every man is a psyche. He appears differently, but he thinks differently. He or she will be thinking differently. They appear to be a very good person. They appear to be very serious man, but it may not be the same when you interact with them. One person is very serious by his looks, but when you interact them, you find him that he is very a jovial person. He's very, easy lucky kind of a person. We don't know unless we interact with him. We interact with his ideas. We interact with the way he thinks. Once you start understanding him or her, then you will be knowing that okay, physical appearance is something different, and the inner person which he or she is there, that is different, isn't it? So the second important issue is we are going to identify the personality with his thinking capacity, how that character is going to think, how he or she is going to react. That available in your text also. Text is showing many things. टेक्स्ट में बहुत कुछ दिया हुआ है, वो कैसे सोचता है, वो लाइंस जब बोलते हैं तो उसी में समझ में आ जाता है कि हाउ सिनिकल ही इज, हाउ इंटेलिजेंट ही इज, हाउ इनोसेंट ही इज, हाउ इडियट ही इज, all these lines, playwright has already written. But one thing is that we have to identify what kind of a character he is psychologically. So you understand. And the third and foremost important, the last but not least, is the sociological dimension. Sociological dimension is nothing but every character or every person is placed in the society in a structure. A structure in the sense that at what kind of a hierarchy in the society this person is placed. Is a higher middle class man or a lower middle class person? How the society is recognizing this guy. Not that he is recognizing the society. That we call it as a worldview, isn't it? Worldview. There is a word, one thing is called worldview. If you look at the top, and you observe in the society, and there are certain people which always हम एक भावना में आ जाते हैं कि ये लोग यहाँ रहते हैं तो ये इस तरह के लोग होंगे, एक धारणा बन जाती है ना. We make our own opinions. Opinions may not be they may not be true. They may not be true always, isn't it? The people who are residing at slum areas, and the people who are residing at a very high class society, we cannot say that they are very nice guys, isn't it? Or they are very cruel guys, or their thinking is very criminal, or they are not sensitive people. There can be a different kind of ideas, but how society is placing them in the social hierarchy, whether they are educated, whether they are well placed in the society, how their financial status, we look into their cultural backgrounds, we look into their economical backgrounds, sociological backgrounds. There are many things, you understand what I am saying. I don't want to name certain things which are annoying some people, isn't it? Still, we are in that kind of a society where we look into the people by name, by place, and by state, even by language. We will make our opinion. If he is speaking English, we think that something different. If he or she cannot speak English, we think about something about them. Somebody is speaking only Hindi, we have some different kinds of opinions, isn't it? This is all, comes under the psychological aspects of that. But they may not be the true with that personality, but they are the assumptions, they are the opinions of the people which are thinking about that one particular person or a character. So in order to portray that, we are going to work on those things. Now I hope I'll just stop here for a moment, because I have talked about the observation part and the character part. So anything which is not able to understand whatever I was telling you, you can raise the questions. I will take some couple of questions and I will go for some of the exercises for today. Quick.
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
I just wanted to ask you 2 questions.
Yeah.
The first one is, we're talking about realistically reacting to a situation. So, for example, if I'm, say, playing a mentally challenged human being, maybe I'm a schizophrenic, or I think that I'm a child. So, how do I react realistically while keeping the physical and psychological aspects of playing a mentally retarded person?
See, Donna, what happens is mentally retarded is only one, not the single one word. What kind of mentally retarded people? What is the background of that? There are many differences. Many differences. What I'm saying is you have to go to the very details of those nuances. What kind of mental retardation is a very big subject in which there are many kinds of people will come into that. So you have to be very particularly saying that we cannot generally say, see, I am a mentally retarded people, they behave indifferently. No, it is not like that. There are certain people who behave very natural. I mean, you don't find that they are mentally retarded, but there are many qualities. So that we have to identify first. Okay. Then you have to come to a conclusion. Yeah, I am going to play these elements in that character of a mentally retarded person. मेंटली रिटार्डेड पर्सन के हजारों कारण हो सकते हैं. हम उसमें से कुछ चीजों को चुनेंगे कि ये कैरेक्टर को जो मैं पोर्ट्रे करने वाली हूँ या करने वाला हूँ, उनको ये 3-4 चीजें सूट होते हैं, तो उन्हीं चीजों को हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे और उन्हीं चीजों को हम दर्शाएंगे. We'll perform only those activities. So not entire thing.
I say, for example, say if I think that I'm a child, maybe I'm a 17-year-old, but I think I'm a 6-year-old, and I'm reacting that way. So when I'm reacting realistically as a human being in different situations, say I'm sad or happy or nervous or whatever, that is a different aspect altogether. But when I'm reacting as a 6-year-old, how do I react realistically in that scenario as a child, as a mentally retarded who thinks that I'm a child? And at the same time, I have to react realistically so that it is realistic. It looks natural.
See, Donna, what I'm saying is, in what you're talking about, the realistic or non-realistic thing, that is the one assumption from your side. Whatever your actions are realistic to you, but once you react, if I look at them from outside, They may not be realistic. They may be some stylized kind of a thing or nonsensical things which you are doing. But what I'm saying is, if your character demands such kind of an activity, there are no sources are available. You can fix those sources. What I'm saying is, if your text is not giving details of that particular mentally retarded person, or no resource is available for you, nobody is explaining you what to do in that particular character, then Donna herself can fix those things, that this person who is a mentally retarded person and he thinks that he or she thinks that he's a 6-year-old child. So then you can fix that 6-year-old child who is mentally ill. He will do these kind of actions. You yourself can fix those things.
Okay, I can create a realistic action.
You can create those actions, and you have to be very truthful whatever the actions you are doing. Then that's all that you need to do. You have to first satisfy yourself whatever you are doing in that. They can just see, I am a 6-year-old guy, but I am a 17-year-old actually, but I am mentally retarded, but I'll be doing these actions for a 6-year-old child who is actually a mentally retarded person. So you can fix those things. What I'm trying to say, you can fix. You can read. You can listen to the people about that. Whatever you are saying about mentally retarded, you can get the information. Okay, these people will see every age guy. A normal child, for example, 6-year-old child, he or will have some motor kind of an activity, psychological activities which can normally done. And a person who is not up to the mark, like he's mentally retarded, he or she will be lacking certain activities in that. That we have to find out, that we have to identify. Then you have to practice those actions, or the sounds, or the voice, or the words which they speak, which appears to be realistic to you first. You have to convince yourself, then you can convince the other guys.
Okay.
That is my submission. Okay.
So just to add to what she has said, do you mean that we need to research and know the character and then try to enact it?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The acting training ka matlab kya hai? There is a director, no doubt about it. He or she will explain you all these things. For example, the director, which he's saying that you prepare yourself. Now, actor prepares means what? Actor means what he's preparing. He's preparing his body, he's preparing your voice, he's preparing your mental condition also. As an actor, you are ready. But when you become a character, you are becoming a specialized person. Specialist. See, MBBS करने वाला डॉक्टर बनता है, उसके बाद जो स्पेशलाइजेशन बनता है ना, वो तो कैरेक्टराइजेशन है. तो उसके लिए आपको काम करना पड़ेगा. Whether you do it for you become a physicist or you become a diabetic देखने वाला है, या फिर physically आपका देखने वाला है, child specialist है, या फिर वो कुछ और आई स्पेशलिस्ट बनेगा या ENT स्पेशलिस्ट बनेगा. तो उसके लिए तो अलग से काम करना पड़ेगा ना. Actors are a common word. You know how to use your voice, you know how to use your body, you know how to use your mind, psychological aspects. But when it comes to portraying the character, how you are going to use your voice in that character, how you are going to use your body in that character, how you are going to think if you are portraying that character. So that work you have to do it as an actor.
So
if you are lucky, if somebody is there and guiding you. If not, this is the process I am telling you.
So I had one more question, and that is, in general, do you suggest that we should practice in front of a mirror?
No. That's what I'm saying. See, what happens is, we are all amateurs, including me. So what I'm trying to see is, we don't have that capacity to grade or control our emotions, saying that, yes, we have done this right or wrong. So instead of, once you go through a mirror, going before a mirror and doing something, do you find any fault with your expressions?
I do. Mostly when I'm in front of the mirror, I see a lot of faults, but when I'm not, then I'm better off.
Slowly, what happens? You love with your own face. There is a danger.
Yes, we become conscious, and it becomes.
You become. मेकअप करते करते अगर आप आईने के सामने आ जाते हैं तो आपको लगता है कि not bad, I'm not bad.
Yeah, correct, sir. Samjhi.
That's what I'm saying, you know.
Yeah.
So that is not the critical judgment about ourselves when you are portraying a character. So what I'm trying to say is, for certain things you may or may not use the mirror, but most of the times don't depend on it, because as I told you, when we sing in a bathroom, we are the best singers. When we are there in front of a mirror, we are the best actors. So we are not in a position always. We are not in a position always to judge ourselves perfectly. So in order to that, we have to go before a people, go before a group of people where they can judge us very clearly. That वो समूह का नाम ही है ऑडियंस. ऑडियंस का अगर आप इंप्रेशन लेते हैं, they are the best people to tell you, isn't it? You have thought something and you have done something, and it went on to give some expression to the other group, you know. That is the communication circle. We have prepared something, है ना? कुछ अपना कैरेक्टर बनाया, हमने कुछ पोर्ट्रे किया, कुछ हमने उनको दे दिया ऑडियंस को. इस बीच में क्या what we are we able to convey whatever we have planned? That we don't know, because we cannot do. Because at the spur of the moment, we may not be able to, judge ourselves, and at the same time, we also perform. It is very difficult. It is very difficult kind of an capability. So the best persons will be the audience, which will be telling you about this. Okay, that we will slowly gain. No problem. Slowly we will gain that confidence also. Okay. And sometimes what happens, your audience is applauding you a lot, but you know that what you have done. So that is also there. Okay. So any other question?
That's so true, sir. What you said, like audience is applauding for you, but you know what you have done. That's so true.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You know that you have done some mistakes, but audience, आपके दोस्त हैं तो आप बोलेंगे नागेश, you have done a wonderful job today. But you know what you have done.
Correct.
Yes,
That gives
sir,
you
correct.
actually the space of improvement.
Yeah. Yes. That's what I always say. कि वो मिरर का जो मैं एग्जांपल बार बार देख रहा हूँ, may or may not true with all the people. वो बहुत जमे हुए लोग होंगे, वो मिरर के सामने भी अगर हम एक्ट करते हैं तो वो बच जाते हैं. They can see their faults in their own faces and all that. That is a different issue. But in general, what happens is we always love to see our face and we say कि ठीक है, थोड़ा height कम है, थोड़ा 2 इंच अगर height है तो ठीक है ना, मैं ठीक है, थोड़ा grey hair है, ठीक है, not bad. My looks are not bad. My face is not bad. My voice is not bad. So, this not bad doesn't work out. That is for yourself. It is not. It is good or bad. I'm talking in the sense of performance. It comes, it always differs. It is not the people want to see. It is the character which you are portraying that they want to see you. Every time, हर एक role में they are trying to find out only Nagesh. It will be different. They want to see a Rama. They want to see a Ravana. They want to see a king. They want to see a beggar. Not always. Nagesh Rama, Nagesh Ravana, Nagesh King, Nagesh Beggar, they don't want to see. They want to see the real character. That is what I'm thinking. We can't perform and watch. Yeah. Yes, that's also there. It's also there. That is also true. Okay. So I hope more or less you people understand what is the observation part of it. Yeah. Consciousness, conscious. Yes, we become conscious. But what happens? We are trying to a situation where we are not conscious. इसीलिए हम बोलते हैं कि ना, while doing acting, what happens is the biggest problem for the actors is hands. Hands. हाथ को कहाँ रखें? Most of the times हम क्या करते हैं? ऐसे कर लिया या पीछे रख दिया या फिर पैंट के जेब में या शर्ट के जेब में लगाया, फिर बाद में सोचेंगे कि what we have to do with these hands. So the teachers will say mostly, forget that you have hands. Forget that you have hands. It is a very difficult kind of a statement, isn't it? How can you forget? How can you forget that you have hands? In the sense, they are asking you to concentrate on your actions. Let us not concentrate on only hands. You always try to remember your hands, forgetting that what you are going to do on stage or in a film. So you are always conscious about your hand. So in that sense, they are saying that Forget about hands. The hands will move as freely as possible when you forget that you have hands. उस स्थिति में आप आ जाएंगे कि आप हैंड्स के बारे में सोचेंगे नहीं, तो फिर आपको लगेगा कि मैं इस हैंड को कैसे मूव करूंगा, मैं कैसे उस मेरे एक्सप्रेशन के लिए मैं कैसे इसको आगे ले जाऊं या पीछे ले जाऊं, फिर ये यहाँ लेके आऊं, फिर यहाँ ऐसे करूं या मत करो. Please concentrate on your actions so that your hands will automatically flow. Give a flow of their movement, their own movement, isn't it? So these are certain rules which will say, forget that you have hands. It is very difficult to forget that you are having hands. But you know, it is what we are trying to say, that concentrate on your performance. Then automatically you forget about your looks, you forget about your hands, you forget about your expressions. मैं इस टाइम में अच्छा एक्सप्रेशन दे रहा हूँ नहीं दे रहा हूँ, ये फुल क्लीशे हो जाएगा ना फिर. It is not coming from your heart, it is only coming from your face. आपके फेस में आपको गुस्सा नहीं आ रहा इधर से, तो आप दिखाना चाहते हैं तो वो फॉल्स ही लगेगा, कितना भी कर लीजिए. तो you are not into that scene. तो ये प्रैक्टिस से आएगा. Why we are conscious? Somebody is looking at your performance. इसीलिए हम ऑडियंस को कहाँ रखते हैं? डार्क में रखते हैं. In a stage performance, what happens? Actors are in lighting and audience are in dark. Why? Actors should feel that there is nobody.
Because you start becoming conscious when you see
because the audience, उसमें audience में बैठेंगे, audience कोई आपको हाई कर रहा है, आपको चिढ़ा रहा है, आपको देख के तारीफ भी कर रहा है. ये पूरा अवॉइड करने के लिए always the audience are in darker side. That we will call as there is one word called public solitude. Though you are in a public, you will get the feeling that you are alone. उसको हिंदी में बोलने के लिए हम बोलते हैं कि समूह में एकांत. समूह समझते हैं ना आप, you are in a group, but when you are performing you are alone. For example, two lovers are there on stage, they are performing in a park, they are sitting in a park, they are acting, they know that 300 people in the audience, they are looking at them, but still they behave like nobody is seeing them. They talk very personally. How it can happen? उस स्थिति में जाने के लिए उसको हम बोलते हैं पब्लिक सॉलिट्यूड. यू हैव टू बिलीव दैट देयर इज नोबडी. उसके लिए थोड़ा हेल्प ये होता है कि ऑडियंस आर केप्ट इन द डार्कनेस. थोड़ा हेल्प होता है. स्टिल यू नो दैट दे आर क्लैपिंग, दे आर लाफिंग समटाइम, दे आर मेकिंग ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ साउंड्स, दे आर कमेंटिंग यू, बट उसको अवॉइड करेंगे हम. उसको एज एन एक्टर अवॉइड करेंगे. कैसे कर पाएंगे? वो तो एक्सपीरियंस से ही आएगा. उसके लिए कोई मूल मंत्र नहीं है. There is no success mantra for that. The only thing is you have to practice that kind of a situation. उस स्थिति में आने के लिए, है ना? This is what happens. Public solitude. Fourth point of observation, please. Fourth point I said listening. First thing is observing yourself and taking experience from your life. Second is reading. Third is you are seeing with your naked eyes. And fourth one is listening. Listening to somebody or listening to the stories. Listening from the people, listening from a group of experiences and all that. So this is what for today. And there are many things I have planned for today, but I'll take up later. As I told you, the observation part of it, today I am going to give you 3 exercises. 3 exercises in the observation. One observation which I have already given you, which you people have not done. I don't know why. But still you feel that you can do it. I have said that you have to observe the persons who are there 0 to 5 and 50 to 60 or whatever the age group I have given to people, whether it's a female or male. You observe them, you try to bring out those characters, actions into your own body and try to create some videos. That was one exercise, 2 exercises rather. One is the child one and the other one is the adult one. Today you are going to observe without any age group. The next exercise will be you will be observing your nearby people. Nearby people in your colony, in your in the vicinity and whatever. You try to observe their mannerisms. You try to observe their way of walking, walk style, if at all they are very stylish, or the way they speak, the way. way they
The
behave.
second exercise, sir.
Yeah. Way they behave and all that, and try to create a character out of it. I have given you the character dimensions now. Now age group is not there now in this exercise, but simply you are going to observe their entire activities, mannerisms, and if possible, try to speak them to get the more information about them. Okay, so then you can create a character. That is one exercise. Okay, the second one is look at your old photographs where they are available in your albums. घर में पुराने albums होंगे ना, उनको observe कीजिए. उसमें you can see the expressions, you can see their stances, different stances, if at all they are clicked in a differently. Not for exactly for the photograph. Suddenly somebody is clicking, somebody is laughing and you have taken a photograph. Or there's some stances or there's some emotions are there. Somebody is crying, a small guy is crying and you have taken a photograph. And even an old fellow, he's very happy and you have taken a photograph. You try to observe them and try to create a character out of it. Okay, and that is the second exercise, photographic exercise. And the third exercise is observe your own room. आपका कोई भी रूम, आपके घर में कोई भी रूम को आप पूरी तरह से, जैसे मैंने पहले भी बताया था, on a count of 20 you have observed the circular kind of an object which are available. Now I am not talking about only circular. You just observe every damn thing, how they are placed, how everything is arranged in your room. Okay, and then what kind of impulse you get once you enter your own room. है ना, impulse की बात कर रहा हूं मैं. Impulse समझ रहे हैं ना आप? जैसे हम किसी एरिया में जाते हैं तो हमको अजीब सा लगता है कि हमको लगता है कि यहाँ से हमें जितना जल्दी निकल सके निकल ले. I don't know why that happens to us. And there are certain places where you stand there, you want to be there for some time because of the place, because that place is giving you some kind of an impulse. आप कोई vegetable market में गए तो शायद आप ज़्यादा देर नहीं रुक पाएंगे, but you are walking through nearby a temple or a mosque or a church or somewhere, a school, you know, for example, small children are running and you are just seeing them and you are very happy. You don't want to go. You will be staying for a couple of minutes there and you are observing them and you feel happy. That is the impulse which you are getting. And while walking on the road, you have seen something and you are just stopped there and you want to be there for some time, or you don't want to be there because that is very much irritating. So this is all happening just because nobody is scolding you, nobody is making you happy, but the place which is giving you this kind of an impulse. You can observe those things, and for the third exercise, you just scribble those things, what exactly is going on in your mind once you enter your own room. It can be your bedroom, it can be your drawing room, and it can be your kitchen. Whatever the room you select, you can select. You go and spend some time, you observe all these things, whatever the things you observe, what kind of an impulse you are getting, you just scribble them, scan them and send it to me. Now I'm here. 3 exercises. One is the observing the nearby people and creating a character, and observing your own photographs which are there in your old albums and all that. It can be your mother, father's marriage album, or your birthday photographs, or party which you have enjoyed. Then the photographs were clicked, and a graduation party and all that. So there are many available, isn't it? So you can try and see those things, what kind of expressions are there, or what kind of stances or emotions they were, depicting by those photographs and all that. You try to create a character. Okay, these are the 3 exercises which I am going to give you. So do you need to write these observations for the last exercise? The room which you are going to observe, that you have to write. And for the 1 and 2 exercises, you have to make some small videos. Okay? Am I clear? And this is almost like 8:20 now. So I'll take a couple of questions for today.
Good evening, sir. This is Rohit here.
So
I had a question regarding the observe your room part. So when we are writing, how does it need to be written? Does it need to be written like a story? Is it a poem that we feel?
No. See, Rohit, whatever you feel about that, what kind of an impression, whether the room is arranged, whether the room is not arranged properly, what kind of an impression suddenly if you enter and you are there in that. So see, many times you are there in your own room, but we don't observe these things. We don't feel something. But now we are purposefully doing it. When you are doing purposefully, what happens? Let us see.
Okay.
That is my question, isn't it? Every time we enter into a kitchen and take a glass of water and come out, we don't get any kind of an. Now purposefully you are spending some time there. है ना?
Right. Yes, sir.
थोड़ा शॉर्ट में बता दूं, मतलब मैं समझा नहीं.
ठीक है, sir. Sir, or the second question was related to the second exercise, sir, about the whole picture. So हम लोग whole picture देख रहे हैं. So is it our own character or what we felt at that particular time?
No. You can observe anybody. See, the albums are there. Whether you are not there, then what happens? Are you not going to create a character? For example, whatever which is interesting to you in that old photographs, you can take that. You need not be you yourself there.
Okay.
आप अपने आप को वहीं देखने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Right.
आप कोई भी कैरेक्टर मतलब आप नहीं है ना फिर.
जी बिल्कुल.
आप तो रोहित है, आप कैरेक्टर कौन होगा? उसमें आपके अंकल होंगे, आंटी होंगे, आपके दादा परदादा, ताऊ, कोई भी है, हमको पता नहीं. आप उनको देख रहे हैं और किसी को भी देख रहे हैं, कोई अजनबी भी है ना? उनको देखिए, उनका क्या, अगर उससे क्या कुछ कैरेक्टर बन सकता है, उसको लाइए, देखते हैं. ठीक है ना?
जी सर, थैंक यू सर.
या एनीथिंग
सर? मुझे अभी भी सर ये वाला समझ नहीं आया सर, जो फोटोग्राफ देखकर मतलब कैरेक्टर हमें बनाना है या फिर हमें वीडियो मतलब उसके एक्सप्रेशंस रिकॉर्ड करने, क्या करना है सर? समझ नहीं एग्जैक्टली.
कैरेक्टर को क्रिएट करना है, बनाना. एक्सप्रेशंस का क्या मतलब है? सी, वन कैरेक्टर मींस क्या है? उसके एक्शंस है, उसके लाइंस है, उसका मूवमेंट है, उसके लुक्स है, उसका स्टाइल है, उसके बात करने का ढंग है, सारे चीज आते हैं ना. जैसे मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, मेरा अगर आप कैरेक्टर क्रिएट करेंगे तो क्या करेंगे आप?
सबसे पहले कुर्ता पहनूंगा.
हाँ, कुर्ता पहन लो. हाँ, फिर कुछ, फिर एक्सप्रेशंस दो और बाकी खत्म हो जाएगा. नहीं ना?
नहीं सर.
Once you want to complete a character, what you need? You have to give a physical dimension, sociological dimension, psychological dimension. ये dimension के साथ साथ आप कुछ actions भी करेंगे, उसको relate करते हुए कुछ बोलेंगे, है ना?
So basically we are going to present a scene, a small scene.
Not scene, a character. एक अकेला बंदा है, उसको create कीजिए.
तो कुछ वो बोलेगा ना सर, मतलब कुछ तो बताइए.
बोलने दो, कोई मतलब नहीं है, बोलने दो. ज्यादा लंबा चौड़ा नहीं बोलेगा. 2 मिनट के अंदर इसको कंप्लीट करो, क्योंकि मैं बोलने शुरू हो जाएंगे तो हमारा पास कंट्रोल नहीं होता है.
ओके.
हम अपना टैलेंट दिखाना शुरू कर देते. नहीं, जो कैरेक्टर बोलेगा, अगर वो कैरेक्टर बोलता है तो क्या बोलता है ये बोलना है, ना कि नागेश नहीं बोलेगा वहां पे. समझ रहे हैं ना?
सर एक लास्ट डाउट है सर. राहुल. हाँ सर, मैं थोड़ा लेट था तो प्लीज थोड़ा शॉर्ट में डिस्क्राइब कर दीजिए.
भाई साहब, मैं देखो
क्या एक्सरसाइज वाले
7:40 से मैं बोल रहा हूँ, ये 8:25 हो रहे हैं, तो मैं शॉर्ट में कैसे बताऊंगा? 3 एक्सरसाइज मैंने बताया लास्ट में, वो तो सुने होंगे ना?
ओके.
वो 3 कीजिए अभी.
ऑब्जर्वेशन और क्या सर?
ऑब्जर्वेशन ऑफ योर नियरेस्ट पीपल, or look at your old photographs and create a character, and you enter your own room and observe them, and whatever the impressions you are getting while staying at the room, you scribble them. उसको लिखो, उसको लिखना है. हाँ, ठीक है. Right. Okay guys, I'll stop here for today.
सर हेलो.
क्या तरुण?
सर मुझे क्लास के बारे में पूछना है. आई थिंक क्लास रिकॉर्ड हो रही है आज की.
हाँ, तो
सर ये मतलब इसकी हमें रिकॉर्डिंग सर मिल जाएगी?
हाँ, मिल जाएगी. अगर रिकॉर्ड हो रही है तो मिल जाएगी. ठीक है.
ये सर, ये एक्चुअली रिकॉर्डिंग ऊपर लिखा हुआ है, तो आई डोंट नो कि किस साइड से रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है.
पता नहीं. तुम रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो क्या?
नहीं सर.
अच्छा, ठीक है. अगर रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है तो मैं भेज दूंगा, ग्रुप में भेज दूंगा. ठीक है.
और सर जो लास्ट क्लास थी 26 अक्टूबर वाली, वो हुई थी?
वो नहीं है भाई साहब.
ओके सर,
क्योंकि वो थोड़ा लिंक का प्रॉब्लम था.
जी सर.
So I have created the link in an urgency and I have forwarded it. So I was not able to record that. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Done.
Sir,
guys. Yeah.
One thing. Sir, one thing. We want some video clip, as for example, just to learn, as example.
Regarding
video clip.
regarding what?
No, just to learn video clips, the exercises, the moves, the gestures. If possible, just we want to see some video clips of all that.
No, Mr. Sushil, that you
I mean
are
body
going to
move.
prepare. No, वो ठीक है ना, आप अपना करेंगे ना, पहले तो आप करेंगे ना, आप इसलिए मैंने ऑडियो वॉइस के लिए कुछ वीडियोस दिया है, जब जब जरूरत पड़ेगी मैं दूंगा आपको, ऐसी बात नहीं है. When I feel the necessity,
Okay, sir.
when
Thank
you are
you.
not able to understand, if you are able to understand the concept, you don't need any clippings from any part of the world. You yourself can develop. If you are not able to understand the concept, then we have to think about the other processes. Okay?
Sir, so when we are observing and making a character out of that thing, and we are talking, we have to talk it in English, Hindi, or any of our regional languages. Can we?
कोई भी language में बात करो, कोई problem नहीं है. ठीक है? No issue. No language barrier for me at least. Okay? Okay, guys. See you.